If you're experiencing sudden suction issues with your breast pump, don't worry, we're here to help. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through a few key steps to troubleshooting and get you back to pumping successfully. Check the duckbill valves. They're often the first part to show wear and tear. Typically, duckbill valves need to be replaced every 1 to 3 months, depending on how often you pump. Remember to inspect your breast shield kit parts when cleaning them to see if you notice any visible damage to the parts that need to be replaced. Ensure correct breast shield size. Wearing the best fitting breast shield is crucial to effective pumping. When you start out pumping and feel a lack of suction, then you may need to remeasure yourself for a different flange size. You can measure yourself using the breast shield size guide in the manual. If you need a smaller or larger size, please let customer support know so we can send you a pair. Sterilization and maintenance. Remember to sterilize your pump parts only before the first use, unless otherwise advised by your doctor. Constant sterilization may wear down the breast shield kit parts faster than expected. Remember to regularly replace pump parts such as valves, diaphragms, and other hard plastic components. Every 1 to 3 months is essential to maintaining optimal suction.